addition, subtraction, same thing actually. So for addition or subtraction, I'm subtraction. Okay, so I'm writing something on the screen. You see the screen, right? For addition or subtraction of matrices. Okay, there is a condition. So what is the condition? Condition is both of the matrices should have same structure. Should have same structure. So what does that mean? Structure actually means the number of rows and number of columns. So if it is like this, that is same number of rows you see in the both of the matrices, same number of columns you see in the both of the matrices, only in that case addition subtraction possible. So let me take one example. Say I am writing one matrix 2 3 7 and another column 0 7 6. Okay, this is one matrix, and I am writing another matrix just beside this, and another matrix is say same structure matrix. Okay, so 1 3 2 5, okay, 8 4. Say this is another matrix, and it is same structure. Why I am saying same structure? Because the first matrix is 3 by 2 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix, that means 3 rows 2 columns.
Two column.
And second matrix is also 3 by 2. Why also 3 by 2? Because it has 3 rows 2 columns.
Two column.
Right. So if we want to do addition, now I am showing addition. So that means you add 2 matrices together. So what will be the answer? Answer is very, very simple. You will just add the numbers at same position. That is 2 will be added with 1. 2 will be added with 1, so it is 3. And then 0 will be added with 3, because 0 is the second number, 3 is the second number. So same position number will be added together. So it is again 3. And go down 3 plus 2, it will be 5, and 7 plus 5, it will be 12. And then go down again 7 plus 8, so it is 15. And 6 plus 4, it is 10. So all calculations are done. This is the answer matrix, and the answer matrix is also 3 by 2. Answer matrix is also same structure 3 by 2. Okay, so this is how we do the addition. Very, very simple. Is that okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very simple.
Yes, sir.
So let us move to the subtraction. Subtraction means minus. Okay, subtraction means minus. So you will do the minus. So just in between you will write minus. Okay. So we are now doing minus thing. Okay. Subtraction.
Yes.
And the result I am writing just below this. Okay, in blue color. So I'm doing minus. Okay, in blue color I'm doing subtraction. So the same thing, similar position number will be subtracted from one another. Okay, it's like 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 2. And then go down 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 again 1.
-3. Sir.
-3 obviously.
Zero.
Oh, okay, minus
-3, sir.
Yes, yes, you are right. It is minus 3. 0 minus 3, so minus 3. Yes. And then go down 3 minus 2, it is 1 again. And 7 minus 5, it is 2. And go down again 7 minus 8, so
Minus
minus 1. And then 6 minus
2.
4, it is only 2. Yes, correct. So this is the result matrix, and it is after subtraction. It is the result after subtraction. And the same structure will come. Same structure will come. This is also 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Okay. So it is how we do the addition and subtraction. So very, very simple process. And this is the condition. If you do not have the same structure matrix, you cannot add or subtract. If you do not have the same structure matrix, you cannot add or subtract. So this is done. Any question from this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No questions.
Okay, very good. So let me now explain what is the meaning of this. Okay, now we can do addition. Very good. We can do subtraction. That is also good. So what is the meaning of this result? Okay, why we should add or subtract, and what result we actually get? What is the meaning of this? So let me give you or go back to the discussion we did in the last class. So what we did, say this is Sunday, that is the first column, okay, and second column is Monday, and the three rows are drinks. So first one is what? Sprite or Coke?
Right. Second one is Coke.
Right.
The last one we can call is 7-Up or like something.
Fanta. Say Fanta.
Okay, sir.
Fanta. Okay, it's okay. So in the second matrix also, Sunday is the first column, Monday is the second column, and three rows are first row Sprite, second row
Coke,
and third row Fanta. Now you explain. Now you tell me, say these three, left side, three is the number of Coke on Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I am making a circle, and 2 is the number of Coke on Sunday. So both are the number of Coke on Sunday. So there are two matrices. So what may be the real situation? What is your explanation? How do you understand by this?
Sir, can I say it?
Yes.
Sir, I have three Cokes on Sunday, and now I added more 2 Cokes on Sunday. So at the end of the day, I have 5 Cokes in Sunday. So it works, right? So,
okay, so this is your explanation. Good. You understand in one way. Good. Any other explanations? Any other thoughts? My question is how it is possible in one matrix there is 3, and the meaning of this 3 is Coke on Sunday, and there is another matrix, and in matrix it is also Coke, it is also Sunday, but the number is different too. So how these two matrices are coming? So someone said it is the present situation, first number, first matrix, and second one is what I will do. Second
Or
matrix, yes. Or
sir,
yes, please.
or it can be varied from person to person. Like one person is taking one matrix, another person will take the other one.
Very good. Jadu is good. So it is.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, it is a good thinking. It is a good thinking. Why? I'm not saying the previous person was wrong. That is also correct, but it is more understandable, more logical. That is, one matrix is for one brother, and second matrix is for another brother or sister. So now you are uh, finding how many drinks are actually uh, uh,
Yes, from the
taken
same
or
brand
bought. Okay, okay,
or
whatever.
and on the same day.
Yeah, from two persons. Okay, so this can be another good example. Any other thoughts? Can you imagine some other situation also? Possible two matrices?
So definitely possible, I think.
Yeah, তাহলে বলো
Yes.
what you can think.
So we can apply this in databases when we create
No, no, no,
databases.
no, no, no. That is not my question. My question is, এই যে দুইটা ম্যাট্রিক্স দুই রকম দেখা যাইতেছে, তুমি কি কল্পনা করতে পারো এটা কেমনে আসছে, কোথা থেকে আসছে দুইটা ম্যাট্রিক্স? আমি বলি নাই যে এটা দিয়ে তুমি কি করবা, নো।
It can be of a like stock or how many sold of two stores.
Mhm.
Yeah, yes, another good idea. Navid Noruz. Okay, good. This is
Shop one and shop two.
yes, this is the number of drinks sold from shop one and it is from shop two. So দুইটা পার্সন হইতে পারে, দুইটা স্টোর হইতে পারে, দুইটা টাইম হইতে পারে, right?
Yes.
So you are getting two matrices of the same structure, and you have two columns and you have 3 rows for both of your shops. So you are now finding out the total number of
Total number. Yes.
drinks sold. That will be the addition.
Yes.
So now you can think in a different situation, what is the meaning of the subtraction?
Sir, can I?
Yes,
Sir,
sure.
can I?
Yes, sure.
Sir, like at Sunday,
Mm.
I bought three, if I'm a shopkeeper,
Yeah.
and at Sunday, I bought 3 Cokes
Mm.
and in the same way, then in that time, like from that Coke, I sold 2 Cokes.
Yeah.
And now I have another one in my shop. I bought 3,
Yes, possible.
I sold 2, and I have 1.
Yes, possible. So that is also a good example. So subtraction, addition, you understand with the real life example. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir. It's fine.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So let us move on. And
Sir,
now, yes.
can you for a minute explain that in real life how would be -3 or -1?
ও ওইটা তো আমি ভাবছিলাম তুমি মনে হয় টেরই পাইতেছো না, থাক চলে যায় তাড়াতাড়ি করে, and তুমি আমাকে যাইতে দিলাম। ওকে, this is very simple example like, say in this situation I'm talking about -3. এখন ও যে এক্সাম্পলটা দিছে, ও মনে হয় নাবিদ রুজ বললো নাকি কে যেন, খেয়াল করলাম না।
রাকিব
তো ও বলছিল যে আমার এটা 3টা তুমি পাইছো হচ্ছে, হাউ ডিড ইউ গেট দিস, ইউ গট দিস 0 - 3। সো 0 - 3 মানে হচ্ছে সে সোমবারে তার স্টকে কয়টা কোক আছে, 0টা। দ্যাট মিন্স তার কোনো কোকই নাই। এখন একজন কাস্টমার আসছে, হ্যাঁ, ও ধরো আটা নিবে, চাল নিবে, ডাল নিবে, চিনি নিবে, তারপরে কোকও নিতে চায়। তারপরে ও বলে, ওকে ঠিক আছে ভাইয়া, অসুবিধা নেই, আপনি বলেন কয়টা কোক লাগে। ওই 3টা। ওকে, তাহলে পাশের দোকান থেকে লোন নিয়ে তারপরে ওরে দিয়ে দিন। সো এখন what is in the stock? -3.
-3. Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah, because when you buy Coke from the Coca-Cola company, then you have to give these 3 bottles back to your neighbor shopkeeper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the understanding. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
In my head,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It was in my head, but I didn't think like I thought it was not worth it to mention. It
Okay.
was in my
Now,
head.
It's
yeah,
okay, sir.
yeah.
আমি একটু কম বুঝি।
জাদু
আরে,
বুঝছি ভাই পচাবি আসলে পচাইস ওকে
না। পচাইতেছে না, ওটা তোমাকে একটু বাড়ি মারে দেখতেছে তুমি পারো না কিনা, সেই জন্য। এটা পচানো না তো।
স্যার
Okay.
জাদু is something else, okay? I know her.
Okay, no problem. Don't worry.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Don't worry. Jadoo is Jadoo. Okay. So let us move on now. And now I will talk about multiplication. Okay. So multiplication also does have a condition, that is any matrix cannot be multiplied by any matrix. Again, you have to check whether multiplication possible or not possible. Okay. So now I am writing what is the condition actually. The condition is for multiplication of matrices. What are the conditions? So, okay, let me just take it here, okay, and write the condition just below that, so it will be better to understand. Number of, oh, where is it going? Number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second. Now try to understand. Read and try to understand. This is the condition for multiplication. You understand this condition? Do you see the condition and understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the condition. Now tell me, if I have a situation like this, multiplication possible or not possible?
Sir,
Sir, it is possible.
it's possible.
Possible.
Because we have
Row
columns
sum.
in the first matrix and we have 2 rows in the second matrix, so it's possible, I think.
Yeah, good. So I am giving you another situation, say green color. So what do you think? Is it possible?
No, sir, it's not possible, sir.
It is not possible, sir.
Also
Sir,
not
possible, sir.
Green color is not possible. Okay. So I am giving you
Yes, it is not possible, sir.
okay. So I am giving you another situation. Another situation like this, and tell me, is it possible or not? Okay, I'm just writing the same matrices in opposite order. So what do you think? The violet color, is
not
it
possible, sir.
violet
It's possible.
color?
Possible, sir.
Possible, sir.
Yes, sir, it's
Sir,
possible.
it's
It's
possible.
possible.
Sir, it's
Possible,
possible.
sir.
Okay, so there must be one
Yes.
single
It's
answer.
not possible, I think.
Okay, so there must be one single
Because there
answer.
is 2 columns and 1 column.
You got my point. There must be one correct answer.
Yes, sir. And
In
that
every
is the
case.
It's possible.
purple. Yes, sir.
So some of you are
Yes, sir. The
saying,
purple one is possible, and the green one is impossible.
and the red one? Red one is
The first one is possible, but the green
Sorry.
one is impossible.
It's also possible.
The red one is
Red
possible.
one is
The red and the violet ones. Both
That's
of them are
possible,
possible.
sir.
One is impossible.
okay. So what I listen to you, many of you are actually correct, but 1-2% you are saying something wrong. Actually, the red one and the violet one, okay,
Possible.
are
Possible.
possible to multiply. The green one is not possible to multiply. Now let me check. So in the red color example, the first matrix is 3/2, second matrix is 2/2. So you will count the number of columns in the first, it is 2. Number of rows in the second, it is 2. So 2 are same, so it is possible. You will say yes, it is possible to multiply. The violet one, the structure is 2/2, and then second structure is 2/1. So the number of columns in the first is 2, and number of rows in the second is also 2. So they are same. So you must say that this is possible to multiply. The green color, the first matrix is 2/1 and the second matrix is 2/2. So you will count the number of columns in the first, it is 1. Number of rows in the second, it is 2. So they are not really same. So as they are not really same, you will say it is not possible to multiply. Simple answer is not possible to multiply. So if someone asks you to multiply these two, you will say it is not possible to multiply. That's all. This is the answer. Now I will show you how the multiplication is done. So let me go back to the red color example, and then I will find out the answer and you will learn how to do the multiplication. Okay. So before going into that, I tell you another thing. The answer, when we multiply these things, the red one, the answer will be 3/2. Answer will be 3/2. So why the answer will be 3/2? Because 3 is the extra number here and 2 is the extra number here, and then 3/2 is the new structure. So for the violet color example, the result will be 2/1.
2/1.
Result will be 2/1. Okay. So this is just, you know, then fine. If you do not know, that is also all right. If you do the correct calculation, automatically the answer will be like this. Okay. So now let me show you how we actually multiply. So for the red color example, I am doing the multiplication, and first thing is you follow a direction. You follow a direction. What is the direction? This is like this. That is horizontally, you start from the left side and then vertically you come down. So what is this? Actually, the first row is 2, 0. You will come from the left side, left to right, and then you come down by the first column, that is up to bottom. Okay. So if you follow this direction, you see 2, 0, and then 1, 3. Okay. Now you do the calculation like 2 times 1. That is first number into first number. first number into first number, then plus, then 0 into 3, that is second number into second number. So this will be the style of calculation. So first number, second number, multiply and then plus, add together. So this will be the first calculation of your first number. Then put a gap in between, and go for the second column. The same calculation for the second column. So you will find out 2 into 4. That is first number into first number, 2 into 4. And then plus 0 into 2. Because second number is 0 and second number is 2. So 0 into 2. And no more number on the right side, because you do not have any other column. You do not have any other column in the right side. So it is finished, but you need to go down. It is finished on the right side, but you need to come down. Okay, up to this, is it all right? Then let me continue. Let me continue with the next row. Okay. So what is the next row? Next row is 3, 7. So for
This rule is applicable for all the rows. Isn't it, sir?
exactly. So for second row, you will do the same calculation. You will do the calculation like 3 into 1. So 3 into 1.
3 into 1.
Plus. Yes, go on.
7 into 3.
Plus 7 into 3.
Yes, plus 7 into 3. You are right. And then you put a gap, then move to the right side, and you will write 3 into 4. Okay. And then plus
3 into 4.
Yes.
Plus 7 into 2.
Yes. So this is done. The second calculation is also done. Okay. Now you do the same calculation for the last row. So what is the last row here? The last row is the 7, 6. Okay. So you
7, 6.
7 into 1 plus 7 into 3.
Yes.
7 into 1.
6 into 3. Right? 6
plus
into
6
3.
into 3.
Right. 7 into 1 and then plus 6 into 3. Okay. And then move to the next part.
6 into 3.
Yes. Move to the next part. 7 into?
7 into 4.
Yes.
4. Plus 6 into 2.
6 into 2. Correct. So this is the answer actually, and you do the calculation and find out the numbers. So that will be 2 plus 0, so only 2, and 8 plus 0, so only 8, and then 3 plus 21, so 24, and
24.
24.
21.
Then 26.
yes,
26.
26.
26.
yes, and then
25 and 40.
25 and 40. 40.
40. No. Oh, okay, yes, 40. Yes, you are right. So it is 40. Yes, correct.
40.
So this is
7
the,
4s are 28. 6 2s are 12.
These are 40.
yes. So it is correct. So this is the calculation technique of multiplication. So you can do it shortcut. You can do it directly. Shortcut way. The violet one. What will be the answer?
Calculator. Oh.
What will be the answer? Just the
2
final.
and 15.
2
2 and 15.
And 15. It is correct.
15.
It is correct. So this will be the answer. Okay. And the last one is not possible, so we are not going to try. Okay, so it is not possible. Now, let me tell you what is the meaning of this. What is the meaning of this? How it is connected with real life example. Okay. We can multiply, we can get the result, but what is the meaning of this result? What is happening actually? So we need to understand the connection with the real life. Is that okay? Now I will show you what is the connection with real life example. Okay. Is it okay? Do you understand the calculation technique?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
let me explain what is the connection with this, with the real life example. Again, let us go back to the same example, that is Sunday, Monday, and Sprite cake. Okay, so this is the Sunday and Monday, and you have the Sprite and Coke and Fanta, and this is one matrix. The second matrix is different. It is not the same. Second matrix is different. It is not the same, right? So second matrix, I have to let me make it a little simple example. Okay. Say for example we have only one column. Okay, I'm deleting one column. We have only first column. Is that a problem? Is it possible or not possible? Will it be okay? I mean, calculation will be all right, or
Yes, sir.
there will be.
Yes, sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
It is okay.
So just for simple understanding, we are taking only one column in the second matrix. So it is 1 and 3 and only one column. Fine. Now I need to tell you what are the numbers actually. What is the meaning of these numbers? So the meaning of these numbers is, it is written in a different way. That is, the rows are Sunday, Monday in this case. In this case, the rows are Sunday and Monday. Because you know the number of columns will be number of rows, same, right? Number of columns in the first and number of rows in the second. So if the columns are Sunday and Monday, then rows will be Sunday and Monday, same thing, right? But other things may be different. The first matrix says the rows are Sprite, Coke, Fanta, and here the column is different. Column is different. Say the column is profit. Say the column is profit. Okay. এখন, I'm just giving you one imaginary situation. It's not necessarily that it will be exactly same for all time. The situation is, I'm saying Sunday বিক্রি করলে প্রফিট হয় 1 টাকা and Monday বিক্রি করলে প্রফিট হয় 3 টাকা. So what is the imaginary situation? Is it possible in real life?
Yes, sir. It is possible.
Yes, sir.
কেন এরকম হবে? মানে সানডেতে বিক্রি করলে লাভ কম হবে, কেন হইতে পারে এরকম? Actually it is possible, yes. So
International Day is Sunday.
it is possible. Maybe there is a, yes, maybe there is a special holiday and you are giving some. Okay, as a shopkeeper, you are giving, yes, sale দিতেছো, you are giving some discount. Okay,
Discount, yes, sir.
তুমি বললা যে একটা কোক কিনলে দুইটা কোক ফ্রি, right? 1/3 হয়ে গেল প্রফিট। Okay, normally the profit is 3 টাকা,
Yes, sir.
কিন্তু ওই দিন তুমি বললা যে আমি একটা কোক কিনলে আরো 2টা ফ্রি দিব। ওকে, তাই তোমার লাভ করবে। So this type of situation, maybe I'm just একটা example দিতেছি। So,
Yes.
so now you are multiplying, so 2 into 1 and then 2 into 1 and then you are doing plus 0 into 3. So 2 into 1 and 0 into 3 করাতে আমি পাচ্ছি যে আমি বিক্রি করছিলাম 2টা স্প্রাইট and profit for one Sprite is 1 taka, so 2 into 1 and 0 Sprite on Monday, and Monday তে বিক্রি করলে আমার 3 টাকা লাভ হইতো, তো আমি 0টা বিক্রি করছি 0 into 3, so this is the 2 taka profit from Sprite on Sprite,
Sunday.
হ্যাঁ মানে সানডে মানডে দুইটা
Profit.
মিলাই আসলে টোটালটাই আসছে। হ্যাঁ,
Yeah.
এটা হলো স্প্রাইট আসছে, এটা হলো টোটাল
Profit. Yes, sir.
টোটাল প্রফিট।
Total profit.
Total profit on the products.
ইয়েস, সো এইভাবে তুমি এই সানডের প্রফিটটা পাইলা, এবং পরেরটাও তুমি চিন্তা করে দেখো এবং ওই ডিরেকশনটা মাথায় রাখো। ডিরেকশন ইজ লেফট সাইড থেকে স্টার্ট করে ডান দিকে গিয়ে আবার নিচে নামতে হয়। So in this direction, if you do the calculation for 37, so you are getting 24. 24 taka is the total profit from Coke
From Coke.
in both of the days. Okay.
2 days.
So in the same way, 25 taka is the profit from Fanta, and it is from Sunday, Monday, both of the days. Okay. So this is actually real life connection. So this is how we do the calculation, addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and how it is matrix operation is connected with our real life situation. So that is all I wanted to tell you today, and if you have questions, then I will discuss, and in the next class I will show you one example with real life problems that can be solved by metrics like addition, subtraction, multiplication. So after showing that real example, I will explain the inverse of matrix. That is, I will start talking about inverse of matrix in the next class. Okay. So do you have any question on this? Up to this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay then. So then I will stop recording here, and then I will give you the attendance for today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me just stop recording and give you the attendance.